Hello guys, this is Luis from the Engaging Math Circles, and today we're going to learn how to calculate the angles of a regular polygon. And since this is Halloween edition, we're going to use a spider web for this example. So spiders are really interesting creatures because they are following a specific pattern in order to create their spider webs. And we're going to use this diagram to create a polygon. Now the figure that we created, it's an octagon, and we're going to assume that this is a regular polygon. And a regular polygon has congruent sides and congruent angles, meaning that all the dimensions are the same. And as a side note, this drawing is not on scale. Let's remember also that a rectangle has 4 right angles. And 4 times 90, this figure has 360 degrees. And if I split this in two, I am creating 2 triangles, of course, each one of them with 180 degrees. That is going to be our tool of the day. Now that we erase the figure, we have this octagon, and we are going to see how many triangles I can create. So right now I have 6 triangles, each one of them giving me 180 degrees. So if I multiply 180 times 6, 1080 degrees as the sum of the inner angles. And I have 8 angles. If this is a regular polygon, every angle is going to be congruent, same dimension. Each one of them is going to be 180 divided by 8. And 180 divided by 8 is going to be 135 degrees. 135 each one of them. And this is how you find each angle of a regular polygon, in this case, an octagon. If we want to go beyond that and find the angle that the spider is making with each one of the lines from the center, we can throw some diagonals over here. And since this is a regular polygon, this happens only with a regular polygon, I am splitting each one of these 135 degrees in half. And 135 divided by 2 is 67.5, these angles that I am using over here. Now, I just want you to focus on the red triangle. I know that 67.5 plus 67.5 plus x is equal to 180, and I can set up this equation. These two angles combined gives me the 135 degrees, plus x equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, x is 180 minus 35, x equals to 45 degrees. Which means that every angle in here is 45, 45. How many of these angles I have? 8. What is 45 times 8? If you do the math, this is 360, and it makes sense because when I put them all together, I am creating a circle, and a circle is always 360 degrees. So that means that nature is wise. This spider is taking 45 degrees at the time to throw these lines to create the next level on this spider web. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this trick. Show that to your friends and have a great Halloween. We will see you around.